Water. Powerful. Transformative. Essential for you and all life. It gives meaning to Kohler design and innovation. But water is finite, and sustaining life from generation to generation requires protecting what we have. This is the critical work being done by Kohler Sanimex in Monterrey, Mexico's industrial giant. Long committed to local water stewardship, the team is pouring their passion into source-to-tap solutions after extreme water shortages impacted the city's 5 million residents in 2023. Today, Kohler is supporting the Nature Conservancy's watershed restoration efforts. Planting trees, building fire breaks, and meticulously monitoring the impact will help revitalize the delicate ecosystem contributing to Monterrey's water supply. In the city, Kohler is partnering with the nonprofit Isla Urbana to introduce rainwater harvesting to local schools. Water scarcity has resulted in frequent school closings. When rainwater is filtered and stored as a backup, schools can stay open and students have safe, reliable education. Right-sizing water use is crucial for the entire Monterrey community, including Kohler Sanimex, where teams tirelessly innovate to minimize the water we use. They're exploring simple initiatives like installing foot pedals for water efficiency, and in select manufacturing processes, such as our faucet plating line, reusing water after it's been treated. And major activations like the advanced filtration system, allowing us to recycle 80% of our operational water back into the process. Monterrey is one of countless communities worldwide affected by water issues. Each of us plays a role in protecting this water we share. At Kohler, water inspires all we do, from clean water solutions to transformative experiences. Water gives life.